In this video, we will explore the top 5 best Baseus vacuum cleaners that combine power, portability, and smart design to keep your space spotless. Whether you need a handheld or cordless option, we've got the perfect pick for you. Check the description below for the latest prices and product links. Let's get started. Number 5. Baseus A0 Pro. The Baseus A0 Pro is a cordless vacuum cleaner designed for maximum convenience and powerful performance. With suction reaching up to 45,000 revolutions per minute, it efficiently removes dirt and dust from various surfaces. Its cordless design allows you to move freely without being restricted by tangled cords, making it ideal for quick and versatile cleaning tasks. This mini vacuum is both lightweight and compact, perfect for cleaning tight spaces such as car interiors, furniture, and even keyboards. The device provides up to 25 minutes of continuous cleaning time on a single charge, giving you ample time to complete your tasks. Charging is simple with the included standard USB cable, and the vacuum reaches full power within 3 to 4 hours. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to the removable dust cup and HEPA filter, both of which are washable and reusable. This makes it easy to keep the vacuum running at peak performance. The Baseus A0 Pro features a 2-in-1 suction nozzle that helps you access hard-to-reach areas like car air vents and couch crevices. Additionally, its narrowed head nozzle is designed to clean blind spots, such as seat gaps and trunk spaces, efficiently. Aesthetically, the vacuum has a minimalist metallic finish that looks sleek and modern. It is backed by an 18-month warranty and supported by friendly customer service, ensuring reliability and peace of mind with your purchase. The Baseus A0 Pro combines practicality, style, and power in a compact package, perfect for everyday cleaning needs. Number 4. Baseus A3 Lite. The Baseus A3 Lite delivers an impressive 12,000 pascal suction force thanks to its upgraded driver system, providing high-speed, constant airflow for powerful and consistent cleaning. This means no more struggling with weak suction during your cleaning tasks. What makes the A3 Lite truly unique is its multifunctionality. It is not just a vacuum cleaner, but also serves as an air pump, inflator, and blower. With 4 universal nozzles included, it easily handles inflatable items like air mattresses and pool floats, making it a versatile 4-in-1 tool perfect for both household use and travel. Despite its power, the A3 Lite operates quietly. Its triple-phase, brushless motor spins at speeds up to 80,000 revolutions per minute, while keeping noise levels below 65 decibels. The built-in 3,000 mAh battery provides up to 25 minutes of runtime, making cleaning efficient and enjoyable. The vacuum features an innovative one-click trash emptying system that automatically opens the dustbin with the press of a button, ensuring no messy hands when disposing of dirt. In terms of design, the A3 Lite is ultra-lightweight at just 0.96 pounds and slim enough to be easily handled. Its main body diameter is less than 5.5 centimeters, roughly the size of a water bottle. The cordless design allows cleaning without being tethered to an outlet, and the heat-resistant battery ensures safe operation up to 75 degrees Celsius. Number 3. Baseus A3 15,000 pascal. The Baseus A3 15,000 pascal is a compact powerhouse delivering impressive performance and versatility. With a strong suction force of 15,000 pascal, powered by an 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, this vacuum easily handles stubborn dirt and debris without any struggle. Designed for portability, this handheld vacuum is ideal for cleaning tight spaces and corners, making it perfect for both car and home use. It runs on a lightweight lithium-ion battery that provides up to 45 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning time, giving you plenty of time to finish your tasks efficiently. Its sleek design measures just 56.5 millimeters in diameter, slimmer than a thermos, combining compact size with powerful performance. The Baseus A3 features four 2000 mAh high-performance batteries and offers two suction modes. The first mode delivers 10,000 pascal suction for general cleaning, while the second mode boosts suction to 15,000 pascals for deep cleaning needs. One of its standout features is the automatic suction force adjustment. A built-in airflow sensing unit detects the type of debris and adjusts suction power accordingly, making cleaning smarter and more efficient. Equipped with a 2-in-1 suction nozzle and blowpipe, the vacuum handles crevices with a flat mouth and deeper dirt with a bristle brush. The metallic body, crafted with CNC anodizing, not only looks sleek, but complements your car's interior perfectly. Number 2. Baseus A5. The Baseus A5 delivers an impressive 16,000 pascal of suction, which is 220% more powerful than many competitors. This strength comes from its high-speed, 130 watts, brushless motor spinning at 60,000 revolutions per minute. Whether cleaning dust in your car or your home, this vacuum provides reliable performance in one go. One of the key features of the A5 is its updated cyclone technology. This design generates strong centrifugal force to separate dirt efficiently from air, preventing filter clogging and maintaining smooth airflow. This results in consistent, powerful suction without any loss of performance. The vacuum is equipped with an enhanced HEPA filter with a filtration rate of 99.99%, capturing dust particles as small as 0.3 microns. The denser folds in the filter significantly increase its dust-holding capacity, ensuring a cleaner environment and preventing secondary pollution. Smart features include a blockage alarm that notifies you when suction weakens, helping maintain peak performance. The dual-chip system extends the vacuum's service life while reducing blockage chances. For added convenience, the A5 offers vacuum compression to save storage space and a cordless design powered by a high-density 7,500 mAh battery. This battery provides up to 35 minutes of runtime on Eco Mode, ideal for uninterrupted deep cleaning. The one-click trash emptying system makes cleaning hassle-free by allowing easy dustbin disposal without dirty hands. With its sleek, metallic body and compact design, the Baseus A5 is both stylish and practical for any car or home interior. Number 1. Baseus AP2. The Baseus AP2 features a powerful 160-watt roller brush designed to pick up debris with ease and consistency. Whether it is pet hair on carpets, bedclothes, or car upholstery, this vacuum's electric rubber roller brush effectively cleans without tangling, making it perfect for stubborn pet messes. With strong suction power of 60,000 air watts, it offers high cleaning efficiency. This model includes a large 1,000 milliliter dustbin, ideal for both car and home use, allowing extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. Despite its large capacity, the vacuum remains lightweight and portable for easy handling. Versatility is a highlight of the AP2. It comes with multiple brush head accessories, including a crevice nozzle for tight car seat seams and floor mats, a bristle nozzle for cleaning keyboards, machine parts, and window rails, and an extendable hose for reaching tricky corners. An independent LED light helps illuminate dark areas, which is especially useful for late-night cleanups and can also function as an emergency light. The Baseus AP2 is powered by a large-capacity 10,000 mAh battery, providing up to 25 minutes of continuous use on a full charge, ideal for quick and effective cleaning sessions. Its denser HEPA, a filter, captures 99.99% of dust particles as small as 0.3 microns, preventing secondary pollution. The filter is washable and reusable, making the vacuum eco-friendly and cost-effective. Overall, the Baseus AP2 combines power, versatility, and convenience into a sleek and efficient cleaning tool suitable for pet hair, dust, and more. There you have it, the top 5 Baseus vacuum cleaners that bring innovation and efficiency to your cleaning routine. Which one fits your needs best? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews.